Let me show you how to make this delicious vegan version of creamy Alfredo sauce using white beans in place of heavy cream. I'm serving it on pasta with peas and rosemary walnuts. We'll start by making our rosemary lemon walnuts. They are packed with flavor and add a great crunch to the pasta. First, heat a sauté pan over medium-low heat and add the oil, walnuts, and chili flakes. Stir over low heat until the walnuts are toasted, then add the rosemary and garlic. Let this cook for 30 seconds, then remove the pan from the heat. Stir in lemon zest and set aside. Now we'll make our vegan Alfredo sauce. Heat a saucepan over medium-low heat and add olive oil and garlic. Add the beans and potatoes, the vegetable stock, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Blend the bean mixture until smooth, then add nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and 4 tablespoons of the walnut mixture. Blend until smooth and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Meanwhile, cook the pasta and reserve 1 cup of the pasta water. Drain the pasta and toss with the sauce, peas, and basil in a sauté pan. You can use the pasta water to adjust the sauce consistency if needed. Serve the pasta in a bowl garnished with rosemary lemon walnuts and micro basil. Swapping out heavy cream with white beans in this plant-based Alfredo sauce cuts down on saturated fat and cholesterol and also gives this pasta a tasty protein boost. Enjoy!